SEO is no longer just about keywords and backlinks. Today with AI, it's smarter, faster, and more efficient. So today we'll explore how AI is transforming SEO in the WordPress sector. Firstly, AI is helping generate content faster. Using ChatGPT, marketers can quickly generate content. This is crucial to rank higher on the search engines continuously. WordPress marketers no longer have to spend hours thinking and researching what to write. Just make AI chatbots do the research and present the information. Number 2, SEO plugins today use AI to help rank WordPress content. Rank Math uses AI to suggest high-performing keywords based on your content. SEO Press integrates OpenAI to auto-generate SEO metadata such as title tag and meta description for your WordPress content. If you visit All-in-One SEO, you get an AI writing assistant and an AI content generator. Another way AI is changing WordPress SEO is by the use of GEO, which stands for Generative Engine Optimization. This is a new form of SEO. It does not directly help with traditional search engine rankings, but it can directly influence your visibility and authority. People today search and get all their information using AI chatbots. For example, when I ask ChatGPT what WP Rocket is all about, you will see updated information being generated, so I get all my insight from an AI chatbot. SEO involves a lot of analysis, but with ChatGPT, you can shorten your analysis. For example, you can upload a picture of an href result and ask ChatGPT to analyze the results. This means you save time in making decisions and execute accurate content faster for ranking and bringing traffic to your WordPress website. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe and follow for more content.